Hello everybody again and welcome back to our channel. Today also we have got you another video. In this video I will be showing you how you can go ahead and get signed up right there in your Paramount Plus. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's go ahead and step into our video. So if you want to do so, first of all, go ahead, open that app up. Make sure you have installed that app. Once you open that, you can see this kind of interface will open up with an option of sign up for Paramount Plus. Go ahead, tap on that option. And now you will tap on just this continue option right there. So for this purpose, you will have to select a plan right there. You will go ahead, check on the plan that you consider. You can go ahead and check here in annual as well. Once you're done, go ahead, tap on the select plan. And now what you have to do is tap on this. And once you do that, you will tap on the save a profile, and then you will simply be able to create your account when you will enter your payment method as well for that Paramount Plus. So yes guys, this is it. This is how you can simply do it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and yeah, I'll see you guys next time.